Hello everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with Sanjeev De. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And we here regarding related videos like conversation English, spoken English structure, etc. So guys, without wasting time, let's begin. Hello,
Hello, brother.
hello, hi. How are you?
I am fine. So
Fine.
tell me about yourself.
Actually, I am also fine. Thanks for asking me.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Uh, where are you from?
I am from West Bengal. And you?
Yeah, I'm from Jharkhand.
Okay, okay. So
Okay.
what you do,
Yeah,
brother?
where? West Bengal.
West Bengal near Jalpaiguri.
Okay, West Bengal. Okay.
What you do, brother?
I am a student. Currently, I am pursuing graduation with English honors.
Okay,
And
okay,
yeah, uh, this is my first year.
okay, okay.
And what do you do for your work?
I'm working in a school as a staff.
Yeah, you are working in a school as a staff. Okay, that's great work.
So how you know Bishudip?
Okay, Biswajit Gop. Okay. Actually, I am a viewer of Biswajit Gop. Um,
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
I watch their video. For every video I watch. Okay.
Okay, okay. Actually, he create great platform, and we like beginner, a great opportunity to explore our speaking English. So you try it. You also upload this type of content in your YouTube video.
Yeah. Same content. Yeah. I
Later on I watch your video.
okay.
So what your channel name? Steve Thakur.
Yeah, my channel name is Tipu Thakur.
English.
Yeah, Tipu Thakur ENG.
Okay, okay. I try to find it later on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Actually, I would like to ask a question.
okay.
Uh, how long have you been learning English?
Actually, I told Vishwadeep that I start my speaking English journey last 6 7 months ago. That time I just listening. I do not speak. But 1 month ago, I got Vishwadeep channel. So then I gather some courage and to face camera from Vishwadeep channel. So then my start speaking English journey start 1 month ago. Now I
Yeah.
try to meet new people like you, Vishwadeep, and another some people like Dev Choron, Gaurav Singh, so many people. Now I
One
try
minute.
to connect.
1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry to interrupt you. Please keep away your phone from face. Okay.
Hello.
Keep away your phone from face. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me. Let's.
Yes, yes. Like 1 month ago, I start my speaking English journey. And
Yeah.
before that, I start only listening YouTube English content video 6 7 months ago. So I just listening and try to speaking. At home, I practice speaking English alone, and sometimes I get any partner, so I speak with them.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any partner to speak English?
Yes, yes. Like you, you are my first new partner. But before that,
Yeah.
I spoke Vishwadeep, Gaurav Singh, Dev Charan, Vikas, so many people.
Yeah. So many people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Appro- approx approx how many people do you have to speak English? Tell me number.
Nowadays, I 6, 7, 8 YouTuber.
Okay, 7 8 people. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. I am your new partner to speaking English.
Okay. Actually,
Okay.
this type of partner we need, because without partner we cannot improve our speaking English, and we
Yeah,
cannot we
definitely.
cannot actually we cannot afford Clappingo and Camly video, because they are so expensive. We cannot
Yeah,
afford.
Calapingo and Camle. It is too expensive.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
And
And
rather, uh, uh, I um, appeal to you that please connect with us, so we improve our speaking English with every day through our conversation.
yeah. Okay, definitely. I will talk to you every day.
You actually, we if you spend our partner, so we cannot speak. We cannot improve our speaking English. And
Okay, okay.
yeah, I tell you that servicing in school, so I'm busy throughout the day. Actually, from morning to till go to bed, because being at home I do a lot of work, and then when I at school I do lot of work, and I go back home 4:30. So that time I took just rest, and then I busy with my kids. So I do not have so much time.
Okay.
Okay.
And could you please tell me about your family a little bit? Okay.
I have a mother and a wife and one kid. I have one 2.5 year old son.
Yeah. Um, how many members in your family?
Actually, including me, four members. Mother,
Four.
wife, wife, son, and I. I am.
Okay. And what does your father and what does your mother and what does your wife? Please tell me. What's
Uh,
your father and mother? Please tell me.
1 year back, he was died.
Yeah.
My father was died.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It is a very so sad news. Okay.
I have a brother and sister, but they are married. Uh, mm, they are another place.
And what does your wife?
No, she is a housewife.
Okay. Yeah. She is a homemaker. Okay.
Yes, housewife.
Okay. And
And I also request you, please, after this video, you send this video on my Skype link. So I watch this video, how where I do mistake.
okay. Surely. Mm. And
I
how
think.
many steps? 1 minute.
Uh,
Do
Hello.
you? Okay. Ask me. Do you have any question? Ask me.
Yes, I think if anybody have the knowledge of grammar, so he or she can start his speaking English journey. If he or she can basic grammar knowledge, so he or she can start his speaking knowledge. Just like me, that I have no so much time, I just listen YouTube English content video, and after that I practice speaking English. But other is the, like you have so much time, you read book, you write, you listen, and then you speak, no problem. But I'm always busy, so I am busy schedule. Due to busy schedule, I do not have so much time. I just listen whenever I get time. If I get time, I try to connect new people like you and other people. So in this
Yeah.
way, my journey is continuing,
Yeah.
going
Okay.
on.
And how much time do you spend on your English speaking skill?
No,
Brother, I have less time. You do not believe, because at school I am busy, and when I'm back home I'm busy with my kid. He is so little. So if I do not spend with him, so it is very difficult to take care of him, because all the time my wife take care of him. If I go back and I do not take care of him, so it is very difficult to maintain our family. So this is the reason.
Okay. And do you have any question? Ask me.
Hello?
Do you have any question? Ask me, please.
No, brother. Today I request you please wrap up this video very soon because I have work at school. Now I'm in school, so I manage some few minutes to you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you don't mind, please.
Can I hang up your call?
Yes, yes. You now if you stop this video right now, so it is helpful to me because I'm now I have at school, so I have some work. So this is the reason.
Okay. 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 I will call you later. Okay.
Okay, okay. And then you please send me this video on my
Yeah.
Skype link.
Okay. Okay. I will send you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. That's all
Good.
for today. Thanks for talking to with me.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.